community boating. We're a not-for-profit dedicated to providing everybody, regardless of affordability, financial income, all that kinds of stuff, get them out on the water, get them to appreciate Long Island Sound, and teach them the art of sailing. We are actually only a couple years old, but this is our first season here in the landfill, and we are endeavoring to rehab this place for public access so we can get everybody out of the water and do that kind of thing.
Yeah, so how many kids are involved in the program now?
Right now we have about 60 kids signed up for the summer. We could fit a whole bunch more if we had more funding.
Okay.
Funding is a major issue. We're in a recession.
Yeah.
But at the same time, wind is free. So as long as we've got, bodies down here helping the kids get on the water, we can really fill up the boats. The biggest impediment we've had so far is teaching these kids to swim, because you can't get in the sailboat without learning how to swim first.
I see.
But the YMCA has actually agreed to teach all the kids to swim, and then they'll send them down to us. So, it's my partner.
So tell me again, this is Ash Creek, right?
Ash Creek, right.
And
Come out of the marina over there in Fairfield.
And you paddle here a lot?
Yep. Because it's a nice quiet spot.
What sort of sights you see here?
Oh, everything from plovers on the one hand, all kinds of seagulls, egrets.
Excellent.